So at least talks are on. Actually, at least discussion is in place, na? So just let me know where to whom you are talking, na? What's their base location? Base location.
Okay.
Yeah, because Siemens has a different locations, so I don't know whether Mumbai or Pune.
No, they are not mentioned. Mentioned actually. The students are also aware about it.
So generally, whenever we like entertain or we invite students and all, so they will go in that factory only because these are there. So even there we also have a we call it as a citrus program. So for Siemens employees, and even we invite external persons also. And this is nowadays this is a online thing. But earlier when I joined Siemens, so we have gone for a 3 days full-fledged. This is a health and safety training. For electrical safety is one, and one is safety related aspect from like SWMS, HERA, how to prepare safe work method statement, how to prepare a hazard identification risk analysis. So before start any kind of activity. So whosoever is joined from external world to Siemens, and as well as I have seen lot of L&T guys and even Tata guys, so they go and undergo for that kind of. It's a very wonderful program from a safe. Based on that, they will issue a certificate. So it's a citrus program.
तो इससे भी और कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटीज
in safety or environment health and safety EHS field, so that this will help. So I am running short because in the last 2 years we haven't printed any card, but I have given my card and my all credentials are with me, madam. So, or I will share with you.
This is required.
Yeah.
When we look after this placement, so
I know.
Has to be there.
Yes.
There is
Siemens has a lot of training programs.
Yes.
So
yes.
how we can
nowadays it is stopped because of this.
Nowadays
COVID.
stopped. Okay.
Nowadays because
online
of this COVID.
trainings are not there.
Online training.
Okay.
And, but yes, fortunately, or maybe we are thinking in next 2-3 months we'll start again. So earlier, yes, ma'am rightly said, we were having a training program for the students, or for even the final year, even 2 or 3 students undergone in my with me also. And those were in engineering or so last year students. So just we want a recommendation from the institute side. So based on that we.
And now the best opportunity is that for students and to the industry, they can be in interaction.
Right.
Since the university has made it compulsory.
Right.
Internships to students.
Right.
And then our departments are also inclined towards the projects in industry.
Understand.
So that helps.
Right.
And even when also I'm in interaction with industry, at that time also I gives importance to joining hands. And with this, the industry is also going to be benefited.
I know.
So since here is also high caliber faculty, and then the students are also of the good level.
Right.
So when they come over there, they also contribute to the research and then the product developments, even the process developments they are, and then that way the industry also gets settled from institutes.
Actually, the things little bit because of the COVID thing, the things has been
now it's
changed.
changing.
Yes, that's the problem.
It's changing now.
Yes.
And then it's good thing is that the whenever earlier consider that everything has to be in person.
Yes.
But now
perception has been changed.
60% is online,
Yes.
and then 30-40%.
I was telling the same thing to sir also, because earlier nobody was thinking ki even the classes or even some kind of official work is possible as a WFH. But now it's tried, proven, tested. Everything is
But
possible.
when our mind will change, sir, Waghmare sir,
No,
we
now
must
student.
our mind should change. We should gear up for the at least blended learning, 50% online, 50% offline.
Varies,
We are
as
just
per my perception.
we are insisting offline.
No.
And exams are online. He just surprise in morning.
Yes.
Exams are online. Why you are calling students offline?
Exam should be offline.
Offline,
Our
as per
attitude.
my this perception, It has to be 25% only.
What?
Why 25? Out of 4 lectures, 1 lecture only student will come in person, so that if there are doubts,
Yes, yes.
that will be sorted.
Yes.
The rest of the things, such as the assessment,
Yes,
that I
yes.
know that it is very well can be done.
I was
online.
telling
Yes.
him in the morning, actually we should gear up for online teaching
Yes.
and learning
Yes,
only,
yes, yes.
because
Yes.
industry is now,
Now,
industry 4
approaching towards
revolutions
this.
have
The
started.
fact is that 100% placements are online.
Then
And nobody will
Yeah,
come
yeah.
for this.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it is beneficial to both of us.
Right, right.
Thing
But-
is that the first, if there is a drive, suppose the person is coming from Bangalore, person coming from Delhi, and then from Pune, and then we all were busy in only one drive. Now 4 drives at one time going on,
Right.
and without any glitch.
Yes.
So it is happening.
and when I say students, switch on your video camera, they just run away from online
Yes.
lectures, It's very,
Now the total mindset is changed.
they should learn
It
how
should
to
be. It should
sit,
be.
Mindset is changed.
how to talk.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
It is required. And when I even visited to UK in 2013, at that time it was the practice at their end. There was a blackboard platform.
Sir, in foreign
Blackboard.
countries, all internships are online, Majority, 80-90%.
But the teaching learning, now students also, they say that why should I come over there and how can I sit for an hour? And with the same speed for all, the teaching learning is with the one speed only.
Right.
And there are fast student, advanced student, and there are the slow students. So for all, the same speed of the teaching learning.
Yes.
It's not matching.
I think even growth talk, because for a team growth talk, so I used to travel from Delhi to Mumbai and I spent 3 days. One day Delhi to Mumbai, and then 2 days in office, and one day again waste from Delhi to Mumbai. So we always visit Delhi and Mumbai and then attend this session and all. Yeah. But now everything is going online, thanks to this Microsoft team and this Zoom meeting and also.
Very well, और मैंने देखा ही इतना भी कि इतना बढ़िया है. Total assessment, monitoring, interaction is possible.
But this
And
is-
at one point of time only, I can use 6 to 7
Yeah.
tools.
But this not completely. I have seen a drastic change between two organizations. Before Siemens, I was in Dell. Yeah. So in Dell, everything was online. Even they used to do such kind of meetings online only.
Right.
Their virtual platform. But in Siemens, everything is in person. Always in person is required. Then now they have
Now
changed.
need to change.
Now they have changed.
Good,
completely.
good.
Yes.
And
They have
I-
realized now and this is a good saving for the organization also, because travel is a
And
huge
what
cost.
I feel, I feel it's a universal program
Yes.
that it will accommodate ourselves,
Yes,
all
yes.
technology, all working.
So,
Sometimes-
in fact,
And
in my view, the COVID
we-
has
we
certain
should change
negative
our
part,
it.
but certain is a positive.
We
because
should
बहुत
change
कुछ अच्छा हुआ,
attitude.
बहुत कुछ अच्छा हुआ,
We
बहुत
should
कुछ।
change attitude and I should not insist offline,
Yes,
offline.
yes. But now, because of the need, it was insisted by the nature or by.
That
by
is
virtue
what,
of that.
it's a
So
nature
now
wish.
everybody has to do that.
It's a
So
nature
अभी
wish
तो
and it will continue. It will continue along.
It will
मैं
continue.
आपको बोलता हूँ कि प्लेसमेंट अब कोई भी नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर, कोई नहीं आएगा. अब हम जो कहते हैं ना कि एग्जामिनेशन ऐसे वैसे या तो लो क्वालिटी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जीआरई कैसे होता है और जीआरई स्ट्रिक्ट, जेई कैसे होता है, गेट कैसे होता है, जेई कैसे होता है, ये सब कुछ जो है, अगर व्हेन दे आर दोज एग्जामिनेशंस आर फुल प्रूफ and authentic,
Yes, yes,
then
yes.
why not
Why
these?
not the others?
This also can be done,
But slowly,
it's
slowly shift
but
हो रहा
its
है अभी.
objective
Yes.
is different. First of all, accommodate the all strata, first of all kind of people into that, and then the make them aware that and make them habitual.
Yes, yes,
ये
yes.
पहले अडॉप्ट करना है उनको.
हाँ.
एकदम एक बार अडेप्टेबिलिटी आ गई.
नहीं अभी अडेप्टेबिलिटी आ गई है ना. अभी तो 2 साल से अभी
अब लोग मांग रहे हैं, वही चाहिए,
वही चाहिए अभी.
अब
बस
नहीं लिखना है.
जिसको पहला फोर्स करते थे, now they are asking for that only. In our organization also, we always talk about why not this work from home and all this thing. So always some of the businesses told me we need a different type of bandwidth. My engineer has to work on 2 systems and they have to work on the drawing, design and all. How we get this kind of a bandwidth at home? But last 2 years, everything is, अभी हो गया ना वो bandwidth. All the setup, same house, everything
सब कुछ
is.
चल रहा है.
सब कुछ चल रहा है.
और कभी अभी यहाँ पर तो थोड़ा बहुत मुश्किल हो सकता है, मगर घर पे पूरा सिस्टम ऐसे बना के रखा हुआ है कि वाईफाई है, मोबाइल सब कुछ है, कुछ हो भी गया तो कुछ ही सेकंड में हम